Well, hello there everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to do a quick little recap and review video of my front bumper here. I've recently rebuilt it. You can tell there's a little couple of modifications I've made. Well, I ended up rewiring the winch because the wire used to run all the way back to the back of the tractor to the battery that was back there on another mower. Well, I just used the same wiring harness, and I actually didn't. I forgot about it. You can see where I just tied the wiring up, and but it was actually tucked down in here, so I just rewired it and kind of tucked it up here out of the way. I redid the ends on the battery here. I put new ends on the wiring because they were kind of old, and that one kind of needs to have some electrical tape put on it. So, but that's for another day. Anyway. If you look down here, I actually rebuilt the winch plate using some thicker metal. Instead of just the flat piece of sheet aluminum or steel I used to have, now I have C-channel aluminum pieces. Two of them, I believe they're like 3 inches wide under here, one for each end of the winch. Much stronger than that piece of steel I used to have. I somehow lost my original bolts that were from here to here, so the only ones I could find were these long. So I just went ahead and cut some pieces of aluminum tubing, just painted them black and made like little tow hooks there. You can see I've hit something pretty hard right here actually with it, scuffed the paint up real good, and actually pushed my block back a little bit. I'll have to loosen the bolt and fix it again. This one's still okay a little bit. It got pushed back too. But this bumper, this piece right here, I actually spent about 3 days painting it. It's probably got 3 coats of primer, another 3 of flat black, and then like 2 coats of clear coat on it. And yeah, so it was supposed to be durable and not scratch. Well, that walked out the door. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick recap video, and then like I said, I did put new ends here on the winch wiring. I extended the wiring out, put a new end here, redid that, and I painted all the bolts this time. I've got new bolts, so instead of regular hex bolts, these are just Allen head bolts. So I painted those up and put them on there. And the winch is the same winch, same 2,500 pound Badland winch. Got that on a deal at Harbor Freight because it was an open box sale, no wiring or remote, so I just bought the winch. It had the fair lead and the winch itself, so I think I paid like 35 or 39 bucks for it. Good deal, good deal. Also, there's a new exhaust pipe there. Let me set the camera down and fire it up and let y'all listen to it. I don't know how much gas is in it, so it might run out, but if it does, oh well. I just want y'all to hear it. It sounds really good. So let me just go ahead and get the camera situated here. Let me fire it up. If it wants to start, because it's been wanting to give me issues. Pretty cool. And I keep forgetting to mention it. I actually have an Instagram that's the same exact username as my YouTube channel is. It's Josh's at Josh's Adventures YT. I'll link it in the description. That way y'all can follow me because I post there way more often than I do here on YouTube. A lot more update videos on this, a lot more update videos on other projects I've been doing. Yeah, I just wanted to give an update on the bumper here and show off my new exhaust. And this is actually the 3rd or 4th different exhaust I put on it. I had a exhaust stack that was just a flap cap. I put a stack on it with just a 90-degree bend sticking out. I bent it down, had a side pipe, and now I just got this little guy that pushes it down. So they all equally sound good. I just think this sounds better than a pipe, and I don't know why. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Subscribe for more stuff like this, more train videos, more gaming videos, more tractor stuff, and maybe some four-wheeler content one day if I get around to doing it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and give me a comment. Let me know what you think. Like I said, not much has changed. Oh, big thing I forgot to mention. The whole reason of me rebuilding the bumper was because when I actually bought a deck for this mower, and the mounting brackets that stick down to hook the deck to, I built the bumper originally without those brackets there, so the bumper was actually about a ½ inch too skinny to put the brackets on there and slide over them, so I had to actually re-drill new holes in this bar, which this is a new piece. These are still the originals, and then these pieces are new down here for the winch blade. So that was kind of the driving factor, me having to rebuild it. But other than that, everything else is good. I want to do a video of it with the deck on it. This thing's an absolute monster. It's not too bad on gas either. So yeah, anyway, back to the whole outro thing. Like if you like the video, subscribe and comment, and let me know what you think of my little beast here. And for those of you wondering, it is actually not the factory 46 that I bought for it. I bought a 50-inch off another older GT tractor that I have to do a video on. It's a totally different project. It's really cool. I just been waiting on some parts for it I haven't got yet. Anyway, once again, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace out.